In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix missing or corrupted game files on the games that you use to play using the Xbox app in Windows. So if you're having issues with one of your games that uses the Xbox app to launch that game, then you can actually scan and check if any of the files for that game have become either corrupted or missing. And if the Xbox app does detect an issue, it will then attempt to repair it. This basically saves you having to re-download and install the game again. And let's be fair, the size of game files these days, it can take a while for a game to now download. So the first thing that you need to do is open up the Xbox app. Once you have the Xbox app open, you then need to find the game that you're having the issue with. So we need to go ahead and select the library. And you then need to find your game. I'm going to use 2 Point Campers as the example here. You then need to simply click onto the game. And you now need to click on the 3 dots on the right hand side. You will then see an option for manage. Go ahead and select this. And you then need to go across to files. At the bottom here, you will then see verify and repair. You need to select this option. And as you can see here, it now says choosing verify and repair your files will reset this game to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and the game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. So if you're happy with that, you can then go ahead and press yes. The Xbox app will then go ahead and check all the game files to see if there are any issues, which you can see it's doing there. So that now brings me to the end of this video. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you'd like to see another computer sluggish video, then click that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.